asked ChatGPT to take on the role of a creator of the universe and asked him, "Karma exists? Does karma exist?"
No, karma is a concept based on belief, not on evidence.
Did humans invent karma?
Yes, karma is a human idea used to explain justice in life.
Is there really no such thing as justice?
No, justice is a social construct. Nature doesn't recognize it.
Then why do people believe in karma?
To find meaning in chaos and believe that their actions have consequences.
But many people believe in karma. There's even the expression instant karma.
Yes, but instant karma is just random coincidences that people explain through their belief.
So, there is cause and effect, nothing more.
Exactly. Cause and effect is a physical law, while karma is an interpretation of it through the lens of belief.
Does nature work on the principle of regularity?
Yes, nature follows regularities, physical, chemical, and biological laws. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Leave an interesting question in the comments, and I'll pick one to answer for sure.